M&A Advisory Sectors in Investment Banks. Overview of sectors covered in M&A Advisory. Presentation Overview. Role of M&A Advisory. M&A Advisory is a key function of investment banks that provides advice and support to clients for mergers, acquisitions, and other types of corporate transactions. It plays a critical role in facilitating the growth and expansion of businesses. Focus on consumer and retail sector. Consumer and retail is one of the main sectors that M&A Advisory typically focuses on. This sector includes companies that produce and sell consumer goods, such as foods and beverages, clothing, and household items. It is a highly competitive and dynamic market that requires a deep understanding of consumer behavior and trends. Focus on healthcare sector. Healthcare is another key sector that M&A Advisory typically focuses on. This sector includes companies that provide healthcare services such as hospitals, clinics, and medical technology firms. It is a rapidly growing sector driven by factors such as aging population, increased demand for healthcare services, and advances in medical technology. Focuses on technology sector. Technology is the third main sector that M&A Advisory typically focuses on. This sector includes companies that develop and sell technology products and services, such as software, hardware, and telecommunications. It is a highly innovative and dynamic sector that requires a deep understanding of emerging trends and disruptive technologies. Consumer and retail, food and beverage. The food and beverage industry is a major part of the consumer and retail sector, consisting of a wide range of businesses, from restaurants to supermarkets. Retail. The retail industry is a diverse sector encompassing everything from departmental stores to online retailers. It is constantly evolving and adapting to changes in consumer behavior and technology. E-commerce. E-commerce is a rapidly growing segment of the consumer and retail sector, with online retailers like Amazon and Alibaba changing the way people shop. M&A Advisory Services. Investment banks play a vital role in the consumer and retail sector, providing M&A advisory services to clients looking to acquire other companies or sell their own businesses. Food and beverage, M&A services. Investment banks offer M&A advisory services to clients in the food and beverage industry to help them identify potential targets and negotiate deals. Retail, e-commerce. E-commerce has become more important in the retail industry as more consumers shop online. Investment banks help clients navigate the changing landscape and find strategic opportunities. Changing consumer preferences. Consumer preferences are changing in the retail industry. Investment banks provide M&A advisory services to help clients stay ahead of these changes and capitalize on strategic opportunities. E-commerce. E-commerce growth. E-commerce is a rapidly growing industry with companies seeking to capture market share and expand their offerings. The convenience of online shopping has made it the preferred choice for many consumers. Investment banks M&A advisory services. Investment banks provide M&A advisory services to help clients identify potential targets and navigate the complex regulatory environment of e-commerce. Healthcare. Healthcare sector. The healthcare sector is a critical component of the economy, with companies developing new treatments, devices, and therapies. The sector is rapidly evolving, presenting both opportunities and challenges for investors and businesses alike. M&A advisory services. Investment banks provide M&A advisory services to clients in the healthcare sector, helping them to acquire other companies or to sell their own businesses. These services help clients to optimize their portfolios and enhance their strategic position in the market. Drivers of M&A activity. There are several drivers of M&A activity in the healthcare sector, including the need for skill, the pursuit of innovation, regulatory changes, and the search for cost synergies. These factors are shaping the deal-making landscape in the industry. Recent trends in deal-making. There have been several recent trends in deal making in the healthcare sector, including the rise of mega deals, increased cross-border M&A activity, and the emergence of new players in the industry. These trends are transforming the sector and creating new opportunities for investors and businesses. Pharmaceuticals, drug development. Pharmaceutical companies invest heavily in research and development to discover and develop new drugs and therapies to treat diseases and improve healthcare outcomes. This requires significant investment in human capital, technology, and clinical trials. Mergers and acquisitions. Mergers and acquisitions are common in the pharmaceutical industry, with investment banks providing M&A advisory services to help clients identify potential targets and navigate the complex regulatory environment. Medical devices. Medical devices industry. The medical devices industry is a rapidly growing sector with companies developing new diagnostic tools, imaging systems, and surgical devices to improve healthcare outcomes. M&A advisory services. Investment banks provide M&A advisory services to help clients navigate the complex and rapidly changing landscape of the medical devices industry and identify strategic opportunities. Healthcare IT. Digital healthcare solutions. Digital healthcare solutions are transforming the healthcare industry by improving patient outcomes and reducing costs. These solutions include telehealth, remote monitoring, and health information exchange. Software development. Software development is a critical component of healthcare IT, with companies seeking to develop new solutions for electronic health records, practice management, and revenue cycle management. Investment banks and M&A. Investment banks provide M&A advisory services to help clients identify potential targets and navigate the complex regulatory environment in healthcare. Technology. Innovation and technology. The technology sector is known for its rapid innovation and development of new products and services, with companies constantly seeking to stay ahead of the curve. M&A activity in technology. Investment banks provide M&A advisory services to clients in the technology sector, helping them to acquire other companies or to sell their own businesses. Recent trends in deal making include consolidation, strategic partnerships, and investment in emerging technologies. Software, software development. The software industry plays a critical role in the technology sector, with companies developing new applications, platforms, and tools that drive innovation and growth. M&A advisory services. Investment banks provide M&A advisory services to help clients identify potential targets and negotiate deals in the software industry, enabling them to grow faster and stay competitive in a rapidly changing market. Hardware. Hardware industry overview. The hardware industry includes companies that manufacture computer chips, semiconductors, and other electronic components. This industry is constantly evolving and innovating to keep up with the latest technological advancements. Investment banking. Investment banks provide M&A advisory services to help clients navigate the complex landscape of the health hardware industry. They identify strategic opportunities and help clients make informed decisions. Internet. Internet's transformative power. The internet has transformed the way we live, work, and communicate. It has enabled the rise of connected devices, social media, and big data, revolutionizing industries and creating new opportunities. M&A advisory services. Investment banks provide M&A advisory services to help clients identify potential targets and navigate the complex regulatory environment. These services are crucial to the success of mergers and acquisitions in the technology sector. Conclusion. M&A advisory is a critical function within investment banks, providing clients and strategic advice and transaction execution expertise. The various sectors covered by M&A advisory require specialized knowledge and expertise, and investment banks often develop deep sector expertise to best serve their clients. Thank you.